Gas cap's open, dummy. Your gas cap's open. Your gas cap is open. Your gas cap is open. Somebody's trying to tell you something. Roll down your fucking window, you dummy. Old maggot. And she shrugged at me like, I don't know what you're talking about. Before she rolled down her fucking window. Moron. Did you have a protected turn? No, you ran a red, okay. Red light runner! Stop! 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 What? Get out of your way. What kind of bullshit is this? Stop. Put down the phone. They got high beams on in the middle of the freaking day. Yes, they are. Shut them off, you scumbag. We're in the road. Folks, maggot. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Do you know what the fuck you're doing, dude? Going the wrong way, douchebag. You're going the wrong way, douchebag. See the arrows on the ground? Thank you. Did you stop or did you go to the... Did you cut through? Because I'm a scum. No, he banged a Yui through the gas station. Shut up, yeah, baby, just scumbag. Well, it's not cut off. He had to brake. Oh, that's an exit dive. Picky. Can't be too picky if he's driving a Nissan. Did you stop? You want that, yeah, okay. Ninny van. Yay! Asshole.
I found.
Jesus. Stupid fucking Toyota driving scumbag. And you can get off my ass. Ran the red for public services. Wow. Did you come through the parking lot? But I know that was a cutoff. A cheap jerk.